Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we have to do the revision, isn't it, children? Which is summative assessment 2 revision. Okay, so I have sent the model paper. So, let's solve some of the problems related to each bit. Okay, so in that first bit is multiplying by 10 and 100. Okay, so if the numbers are given like this, so in which you have 50 and 5 into 50. So for some time you have to ignore the 0, then that becomes 5 into 5, 5 fives are becomes 25, and you have 1 0, isn't it, children? In 50 we have only taken 5, we have only multiplied with 5. The 0 which we have ignored for some time, you have to place it in the answer like this. Okay, if it is 1 0, you will write 1 0. If there are 2 zeros, you have to write 2 zeros. Okay, let's see. So 6 into 300, 6 into 300. So for some time ignore the 2 zeros, then it becomes 6 into 3. So 6 threes are 18, and you have to write 2 zeros. Then it became 1800, isn't it? And you have to place the comma after hundreds, isn't it? Then that becomes 1800. Okay, so in this way you need to solve the sums. Okay, let's see the next bit. Use box model to solve the problems, that is multiplication using box model. So 12 into 4, so 12 you can write it as, you have to write it as 10 plus 2, isn't it? And you need to draw the box like this. In the first box you will write into, which is multiplication symbol, then 10, then 2, and you are multiplying with 4, isn't it? 12 into 4, 4 you will write it down. Now 4 into 10, 4 tens are 40, and in the next box 4 into 2, 4 twos are 8. Now you need to add both the numbers, 40 plus 8, which gives us 48. Okay, so in this way you need to do the multiplication using box model, which is 2 digit into 1 digit. Now let's see, 3 digit into 1 digit, and finally you have to write, therefore 12 into 4 is equal to 48. Don't forget to write this, children. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. Now let's do 3 digit into 1 digit. So 3 digit 294 into 8. So 294 can be, should be written as 200 plus 90 plus 4, isn't it? Expanded form for box model. And you have to draw the table like this, and in the first box you will write the into 290 and 4, and we are multiplying with 8, so you will write it 8. Okay, now 8 into 200, so we cannot do 200, isn't it? So how we have to do? By multiplying with zeros, tens and hundreds. You have to ignore the zeros, then it becomes 8 into 2, 8 twos are 16. Yes, and afterwards you will write 2 zeros, which becomes 1600. Okay, next you have 8 into 90. So for time being, ignore the 0. 8 nines are 72, and that 0 you will write it down. At the last, 8 into 4, 8 fours are 32. Okay, now you need to add 1600 plus 720 plus 32. Okay, if you are unable to add here, use your working column. So in your exam paper, use the right side of the paper. Okay, back side you have, right? So that side you can use it as working column, children. Okay, you can add there and you can write it down. So when you add, the answer will be 2352. Okay, finally, therefore 294 into 8 is equal to 2352. In this way you need to multiply. Okay, next bit, you have to multiply using column method. Okay, the first is 42 into 3. So 42 you have to write it in column, so you'll write 42. Below that you have to write 3, and we have to do multiplication, isn't it, children? So let's do the multiplication by placing the into symbol, which is multiplication symbol. Okay, so you have to multiply 42 with 3. So first you have to multiply with ones place. So what you have in ones place? 2, isn't it? So you will write 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. So you will write it here. Next, 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12. So you'll write 12. So answer is 126. So therefore what you'll write, 42 into 3 is equal to 126. So this is your 2 digit into 1 digit. Next you have 3 digit into 1 digit. So 739 into 3. So you have to write these numbers in columns as we have done for 2 digits. Isn't it, children? 739. 739. And 3 you will write it down. Okay, now you need to multiply, isn't it, children? So in ones place, what do you have? 9, isn't it? So 3 into 9, 3 nines are 27, isn't it? In 27, 7 you have to write it down and 2 you need to carry. Okay, now 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 you will write it down and 1 you will carry. Okay, now 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 1, 22. So you will write 22. Okay, finally what you will write, therefore 739 into 3 is equal to 2217. Okay, so in this way you need to do the multiplication using column method. Okay, let's go to next bit, which is definitions. Definitions of what? Body part measurements we have, right? Digit, hand span, the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of a stretched hand. That is the definition. Okay, so you have to learn the definitions of handspan, digit, foot, cubit, all this. Okay, you need not to draw the diagram, children, only you need to write the definitions in the exam. Okay, handspan, then it is approximately 13 centimeter. This also you need to write. Okay, no need of diagram. Next, foot. So the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. Okay, and it is approximately equal to 18 centimeters. So that you need to write. Okay, next you have digit. It is the width of the thumb of an adult, isn't it? So it is approximately equal to 1 centimeter, that you need to write. Okay, next you have cubit. Cubit is the distance from the tip of your middle finger to your elbow, isn't it? So you'll write that it is approximately equal to 25 centimeters. Okay, so for these you need to learn the definitions and the approximate equal. In this you might get any one. Okay, learn it, children. Coming to your next bit, convert the following meters into centimeters. So meters has been given, you have to convert into centimeters. So 8 meters. Okay, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So you need to multiply 8 meters with 100. So 8 meters, 8 into 100, which gives us 800 centimeters. That means 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeters. Okay, let's see another one. So therefore 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeters, that you have to write. Okay, next 42 meters. So 42 meters, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, isn't it? 42 into 100, which gives us 4200 centimeters. Okay, so therefore 42 meters is equal to 4200 meters. That's what you have to write. Okay, so in this way you need to convert the meters into centimeters.